of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. My name is Humaira. I'm your subject teacher of English. So let's start today's lecture. I hope that everyone is in good health. Well, students, first of all, let me tell you about day and date. So, dear students, today is 5th of January 2020 and day is Tuesday. So, let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. We are going to read about the unit 9 Beauty and the Beast. As you know, you must be familiar with this because we have read the story of it and we have done the short question answer as well. Okay, so here you go, the topic of today's lecture. The topic of today's lecture is that words, meanings, words, sentences and two long question answer, which we are going to do today in our lecture. Okay, so here you go. First of all, the words meaning. I don't think so that I have to give you the recap of the Beauty and the Beast because it was very interesting story. I have given you in the last two previous lecture the theme, so I hope that you all must be very well known about the theme of the Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so I'm going to take start from the words meanings. Here you go, you can see here. Number 1 is castle. CASTLE castle. Castle का मतलब होता है a large building, यानी कि बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग, जैसे कि like we can resemble castle with the palace as well. ठीक है, जहाँ पे शहज़ादा शहज़ादी इस तरह के लोग रहते हैं, महल भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, castle a large building. ठीक है. Number 2 is cinders. CINDERS cinders. Cinders का मतलब है ashes. Ashes यानी कि ASHES ashes. Cinders का मतलब यानी कि जो चीज़ को जलाकर जो राख बन जाती है ना, उसकी जो पीसेस हो जाते हैं, डैट इज़ कोल्ड. ठीक है, जिसको ऐश कहते हैं. जैसे समवन स्मोक, तो उसका जो ऐश होता है उसको कहते हैं. इफ़ वी बर्न समथिंग, सो बर्न होने के बाद द थिंग विच वी लेफ्ट विद, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ऐश. ठीक है, सिंडर्स और ऐश. नंबर 3 इज़ कमोशन. COMMOTION. कमोशन का मतलब है अ कन्फ्यूज्ड नॉइस. कन्फ्यूज्ड नॉइस मतलब कि जिसमें आपको बहुत घबराहट हो. ठीक है, जिसमें आप यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट वन थिंग, सो दैट नॉइस इज़ कॉल्ड कमोशन. नंबर 4 इज़ द सूट. सूट मीनिंग टू प्लीज़, यानी कि खुश हो जाना. नंबर 5 इज़ द वेयर हाउस. वेयर हाउस का मतलब है अ स्टोर हाउस, जहाँ पे द पर्सन हु गॉट द फैक्ट्री, हु आर द फैक्ट्री ओनर्स, दे हैव देयर वेयर हाउस. जहाँ पे वेयर हाउस में होता है, उन्होंने कपड़ा रखा होता है. दे पुट देयर गारमेंट्स ओवर देयर इन द वेयर हाउस. ठीक है. So dear student, you have to do one thing, that bring your notebooks and just put the date on the notebook and draw the margin line and make the pattern as we have been doing in the class. So draw the center line for the words meanings and then give the numbers for the each word and then start to write. Okay, give the unit name, unit number, unit name and the topic as well. Okay, and make sure that you are writing the words meaning in the separate one page. For the sentences you have to move to the next page. Okay, so here you go. Now we are going to do the sentences. Now we are going to do the sentences. You can see here, for sentences please move to the next page. Write the unit name or number as well and then write their words, sentences. And for sentences we draw less line for the words and leave more space for the sentences. ठीक है, first give the number 1 and then write the word, then write the sentence, then go to the next number 2 word. Okay, नंबर 1 इज़ द मर्चेंट. मर्चेंट का मतलब है ताजिर. ठीक है, मर्चेंट, लाइक ब्यूटीज फादर was a merchant. ठीक है, you can make the sentences by your own creativity as well, but I have made some of for you. You can write these sentences as well, but if you make the sentences by your own, then it would be good effort from your side. Okay, so the number 1 is merchant. Merchant sentences. This is a merchant's house, यानी कि ये ताजिर का घर है. Otherwise you can make some more sentence. I saw a merchant. My father is a merchant. Or Beauty's father is a merchant. Okay, number 2 word is moonlight. Moonlight. ठीक है, जो चमकती हुई लाइट होती है ना उसको कहते हैं। शी लुक्स गॉर्जियस, वो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगती है इन द मून लाइट में, ठीक है। You can make your own sentence as well. Number 3 is the grass. Grass meaning घास. I love to walk on grass. I love to walk on grass. Okay. Or you can make sentence the grass is wet. I'm going to cut the grass off. Okay. Number 4 is jewelry. Jewelry. She loves to wear jewelry. यानी कि उसे ज्वेलरी पहनना बहुत पसंद है. She loves to wear jewelry. और I bought some jewelry. ठीक है, आई बॉट सम न्यू ज्वेलरी. नंबर 5 इज़ टेरिबल. TERRIBL. टेरिबल बहुत ज़्यादा खौफज़दा, ख़तरनाक. ही हैड अ टेरिबल एक्सीडेंट. उसने बहुत ख़तरनाक किस्म का एक्सीडेंट हुआ उसका, ठीक है. ही हैड अ टेरिबल एक्सीडेंट. ओके. So here you go, we are going to do the long question answer. Actually you have 6 question answer, long question answer we have 6. So I'm going to read first 2 question answer for you so that it would be convenient for you. So these 2 question answer actually you have to write down as well. Okay, so number 1 is first of all give the heading of long question answer as well. What is the question number 1, what is the misfortune, क्या पहली बदकिस्मती थी that the family suffers, कि जो फैमिली को बर्दाश्त करनी पड़ी, ठीक है, उनको उसमें मुब्तला हुए, वो क्या पहली बदकिस्मती थी. तो आंसर इज़ द फर्स्ट मिसफॉर्च्यून, पहली बदकिस्मती, डैट द फैमिली, जो कि फैमिली को सफ़र करनी पड़ी, मुब्तला होना पड़ा, आर द फ्लेम्स, वो आग थी, डैट द वेयर हाउस वॉज बर्नड विद, जिसमें वो जो वेयर हाउस था उनका जो पूरा का पूरी शॉप थी वो जल गई थी, ठीक है. नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन इज़ वेयर डू द सन्स एंड द फादर गो एंड वाई, यानी कि बेटे और बाप किधर गए थे और क्यों गए थे. If you remember the story, so you have to give the quick answer कि फादर और बच्चे किधर गए थे. आंसर इज़ द सन्स एंड द फादर, बेटे और बाप, गो टू द फॉरेस्ट, जंगल में गए, टू गेट सम वर्क, ताकि वो काम हासिल कर सकें, टू अर्न मनी, पैसे कमाने के लिए, ठीक है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. वी डिड द 2 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर एज वेल. Number 1 is the what is the misfortune that the family suffered. The first misfortune that the family suffered are the flames that the warehouse was burnt with, ठीक है. misfortune का मतलब है बदकिस्मती. फिर उसके बाद है where do the sons and the father go and where, बेटे और बाप किधर गया था और कहाँ. The sons and the father go to the forest, वो जंगल में गए थे, to get some work to earn money, ताकि वो काम हासिल कर सकें, पैसा कमाने के लिए, ठीक है. So for today's lecture, that's all. Words meaning and sentences and 2 long question answer homework is that you have to learn, first of all watch the video very well and then learn the question answer and then meanings and sentences as well. Write it down on your notebooks very neatly. Okay, make sure that you are not making any mistake. Okay students, take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.